Hello, I'm Son the Die, and this is my my slave, otherwise known as Cooper. I'm sorry, you're not my slave. Wait, you're not my slave.
What the?
I know. Anyway, this is my friend Cooper. He's gonna be helping me today. He's helped me. If you guys are OGs, can you smell that?
Yeah, I can smell that.
If you guys are OGs, then you guys know the pressure washer video. The pressure washer is not here with us anymore.
Went off to a better place.
Rip pressure washer. But we have an air compressor, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna do the air compressor. Oh God, this is how this kid does his hair in the morning. Anyway, so we're gonna be doing beautiful.
Very, very.
Anyway, so we're gonna be blasting some stuff, and yeah, thank you. So here we are. We're gonna be doing, we're gonna be spraying some stuff. First thing we're gonna do is the ramen. So we're just gonna put that right up in there.
Hold it.
Is it center? Is it center in there? It's pretty good.
Hold it. Yeah, hold it.
We'll zoom in. Oh no, we don't need to zoom in.
The ramen's just gonna fly away. You gotta hold the ramen.
Okay. Filming? Yes. Okay. Okay. Oh wait, maybe I should get safety glasses just to be honest. You think safety is #1 priority. We've chosen to break it up a little bit, so we'll see what it does.
3, 2, 1.
Jesus Christ. Jeez. Okay, that's good. I don't want it getting on my lawn. That was actually not too bad. Okay, second thing is the banana. Banana.
Hold it.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. Oh my God, got on my face.
That's why I have this. Oh jeez.
How to cut banana?
Let's do this right here.
Hold them.
That's so funny. Well, it does the banana really well. Okay, the next thing is some non-brand Coke. Yeah, so we're just gonna... Wanna do this?
I ain't doing that.
This kid's too scared.
All you.
Okay, it's fine. I came up with the idea, it's fine. Okay, so, obviously we're gonna do safety for this one as well. Open it up. You know, that's what it has to do. And then we're just gonna put it right here. And,
Good.
how's the shot?
Good.
You see the can and everything?
Yep.
3. Okay. Coke in 3, 2, 1.
Do it again. Hold it.
Oh my gosh. Hey, how's the camera?
Good.
It did not get wet?
Oh, wet? Got a little drips and drops, but otherwise it's good.
Move it back a little bit.
Then I gotta zoom.
Oh crap. Look at that.
What, did it empty? Oh, it popped the thingy up.
Move it back. You don't have to zoom. I'll zoom in when I'm editing. You can zoom in a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold up. 3. Good.
Got the shot and everything?
Mm-hmm.
Coke 2 in 3, 2, 1. I can't see a thing through this.
Yeah, squirt your visor off. Use the compressor to clean the visor. Like, look, put the visor down.
Oh yeah.
Got the Coke off of
Oh god. That looks actually really cool. Anyway. So the Coke was actually really cool. Okay, that was really good.
it. About to say you're gonna be a little chilly.
No, not at all. Not at all. But my shirt's a little, wet, but that's okay. Now,
The final.
last but not least,
Oh, I got recharged this one.
Coca-Hana. I'm just kidding.
I got recharged for the final.
We just put some of the ramen. When we did the ramen thing, there was some packets in there. So we just put the packet in the the Coca-Hina. That's good. Let's see.
Spice.
That's what that looks like. Cool. So now we gotta do this.
Oh, I'll spray you with it this time. You ready? So what I'm gonna do is hold it in the air and dump it into the airstream and then get it all over you.
Oh. stinks. Oh, that stinks. Oh, God.
Isn't it wonderful?
Oh, God. That's interesting.
That's my dad.
I knew that was your dad. I'm like, I think you know that. I think I've seen that guy. I mean, it smells a little weird in here. Like, smell this.
I just got away from it.
Oh, gosh, look. Does it got me?
Yeah.
Oh, God. Oh.
The camera can't see it though. It's so sad.
Oh, that's sad. But yeah.
Blow yourself off.
We should have, yeah. Did anything come off?
Yeah. Wait. Get your hair. It looks like
There's nothing in my hair.
I know. It looked like it was in your hair though. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, God, it's so weird. Yeah, just like that. Okay, come over. Ooh, it's gonna be so cold. Let's just go a little close to the camera. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's so cold. Ah. Okay, that's good. That's good.
No, I gotta get you.
It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good.
Let me get your face a little bit.
Okay.
Close your eyes and
Wait.
slowly exhale.
Oh, God.
Okay. Freezing is done.
Oh, God, my freaking hair is gonna regret this.
Okay, you ready?
Okay. Everything out of the shot. Everything good. Okay.
Get the glasses.
Glasses? No, it's fine. It's fine. No glasses. It's fine. These are not gonna help me at all. Okay.
Wait, let's just see how cold that is.
That's refreshing. Okay. 3, 2, 1. You could. There it is. Look.
You're pasty.
Oh my God! Look at the. Oh no.
That blows out. Don't worry. Dude, you are pasty.
Oh my God.
Hey, now we gotta clean you off.
Oh yeah. Oh God. Oh God. No, no, not that. Oh God. Oh God.
Dude, you're still pasty.
I know. Dude, it's not gonna wash. Ah, it's not gonna wash. Oh. Oh God. No, my phone and my AirPods. Oh no.
Did you say you washed them and they're fine?
No, my AirPods. Oh my God.
No, move your arms.
That's not that bad. That's not that.
Move your arms. I'm trying to dry you.
Not the face. I'll wash my own face.
Not the face.
Not the face.
The back. You should see what it's.
Oh God. Okay. Okay. Okay.
They're going to enjoy the video, just you suffering.
Oh my God. Okay. Okay, we're gonna get ready right after. Okay, now we're good. Let's do the rest. We got another one because I love the result of the other one, of the first one so well that I want to do this again. So we're just gonna put it right back here. And
Over there?
Right back here. Huh?
I said the hose is over there.
Oh yeah. We gotta put the helmet on. For safety, of course. And post is over here. We good? Okay. Coke, 3, I think.
2. Mm-hmm.
Coke 2. In 3, 2, 1. Coke, 3, I think.
2.
2. 3, 2, 1.
Hold up.
Oh God. Oh. I mean, oh God. Thank you for watching. It's been another episode on Sunday Night. Or episode, I should say, video. This is our little masterpiece that we made, to say the least. Right? Wouldn't you agree, Cooper?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, thank you for watching. Make sure to like that button. Just freaking like that like button. I want you to air compress. Is that how you use it? Air compress the like button.
Sure.
I want you to air compress. I want you to air compress the like button.
Different way of saying it.
And yeah, thanks for watching. Skedaddle.